looks like I have the afternoon munchies.
Really? That's so funny you say that because I know that I read on Twitter earlier at ECU_CRW that there's some sort of event going on at the rec center called Munchie Monday where they make some like really healthy snacks. Do you want to go check it out?
Oh my gosh, yes, before my stomach eats itself alive.
All right, let's go.
So we're at the rec center. What time does this thing start anyway?
It starts at 4 p.m. Let's go.
Thank you.
Hey y'all, I'm Taylor and I'm in charge of Munchie Monday at the Rec Center. I really enjoy doing this because it gives students a great idea of the foods that they can eat that are healthy for them, as well as very inexpensive and fun to make. We also give out the recipes for you to make it very simple. As long as you have a knife, cutting board, and the ingredients, you're always good to go. This is our third Munchie Monday, and so far we've handed out all of our food that we have made. So the students have loved this so far. We have done watermelon mint salsa, which was very interesting. It was chopped up watermelon, mint, we did a little bit of lime juice, and we served it with organic chips. And then the one before was cucumber melon salsa.
Oh my gosh, that was so good. I want to do this every Monday for this awesome on-the-go snack.
All right, I totally agree. I'm going to tag along, but we really want to encourage everyone to come on out to Munchie Monday every Monday at 4 at the SRC. See you guys next time.
Bye guys.